a daily goal, that gives you a lot of courage and conviction that you can one day reach there. But it requires lot of courage, right? Because every day आप खुद को सवाल पूछने वाला है कि आज मेरा one policy हुआ कि नहीं. Now, once you have daily goal, the first step is destination decide karna. Then after that, the important part is to make into daily goal, one closure, closure daily. Then सबसे important चीज है कि daily activity. ऐसे नहीं कि मैं अभी ये नवरात्रि के बाद ही मैं start करूंगा. It doesn't work like that. Successful people don't do postponement of activity. They will not do up and down activity. एक दिन कर लिया, दूसरे दिन नहीं किया. Successful people don't do that. So if you have decided to go for daily goal that every day one policy I will close in the next 10 days, 9 days of time. This Great India Dream Festival, I will close one day. It doesn't matter if it happens or not happen, but you should be putting a daily goal. Once you put a daily goal, the next point is about daily activities. And I want to give you a very, very interesting statistics. The best of the best distributors in insurance industry. I'm referring to one of the speech which I heard from a legend called as Tony Gordon, who has become MDRT for 35 years. No, 1 year MDRT and 34 years TOT. TOT is 6 times of MDRT. He was once upon a time the MDRT president. He said a very interesting thing, which I really remember even now after many years. He says that 15 appointments a week in life insurance business guarantees success. 15 appointments a week, एक हफ्ते में. Right? In Europe and UK and USA, people work only for 5 days. So every day, 3 appointments is what they mean. You do 15 appointments a week, and that guarantees success for you. As per him, 15 appointments a week guarantees success. तो कोई सवाल ये पूछ सकता है कि अगर मैंने 14 कर लिया तो क्या होगा? फिर मैं 15 नहीं कर पाया. If I do 14 calls, what happens? And Tony Gordon's answer is 14 appointments a week, you might succeed. There is no guarantee. बट सोचो एक एक्स्ट्रा करने से 15 कॉल हर हफ्ते करने से, if you decide that I will do 15 calls in a week, he says that success is guaranteed. And this is a time, if you ask me, people are in that festive mood, they are at their homes, right? This is a time for you to contact. Some people will take this as a detriment. They will not take this as an opportunity. वो सोचेगा अभी दशहरा की टाइम पे, राइट, आज नवमी आने वाला है, अष्टमी है, पंचमी है, अभी कस्टमर को इंटरेस्ट नहीं होगा. It doesn't matter. This is the right time. When everybody is with family, that is the time they think about family. Right? वो जब ऑफिस में है तब उनकी फैमिली के बारे में नहीं सोचते हैं. वो फैमिली के साथ सेलिब्रेट करते, उनके दिमाग में ये सोच लेके आना आसान है कि आप फैमिली के साथ अगर और 30 साल 35 साल अगर आपको सेलिब्रेट करना है तो आपको पैसा चाहिए, एंड हेंस रिटायरमेंट प्लानिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. So this is the right time. These 9 days time, my request to all of you is that don't take a break. Every day, daily activity, daily goal. If you do it, you will become successful. Now, once you have daily goals, then daily activity, one of the things which is most important is discipline. Right, discipline. And I want to give you an interesting connotation. Everybody knows about this mediocrity and excellence. Right, some people are average, some people are superstars. Right, some people are perform mediocrity level, some people aim and achieve excellence. Some are ordinary, some are extraordinary. And if you ask me what is the difference between these two people, the only difference which I will tell you is discipline. Right, excellence जो पाना चाहते हैं वो disciplined होगा, extraordinary जो बनना चाहते हैं वो disciplined होगा, ordinary और extraordinary के बीच में जो extra है, that is that discipline. And I want to give you a very, very interesting story about this person, this legend called Stephen Redgrave. Stephen Redgrave is the only person in the world who has won 5 consecutive Olympic gold medal. 5 बार. It is not 5 medals in different thing. In rowing, he was famous and he was participating in rowing. In rowing, right? You know that boat mein wo jo rowing. In rowing, 5 consecutive gold medal in Olympics. 5, which means, if I'm not wrong, from 1984 onwards, every 4 years, he became an Olympic gold medal. And when he got this record, and the 5th time the Olympic gold medal, Stephen Redgrave was asked this question by a British journalist. एक ब्रिटिश जर्नलिस्ट ने स्टीवन रेडग्रेव से ये सवाल पूछा कि हाउ इज दैट यू आर एबल टू डू 5 times gold medal, which is never ever happened in the history of anyone in the mankind. And Stephen Redgrave के answer was an amazing answer. You won't believe what he answered, and I will show it to you and tell you. He said that I train on Christmas Day which I think my competitors don't do. I'm repeating, he says that I train on Christmas Day. Stephen Redgrave is also a Christian. Right? Stephen Redgrave also celebrate Christmas. He says that I train on Christmas Day, which I don't think my competitors do. तो मेरे competitors जो एक दिन कम मेरे से training करते हैं, the difference is between 365 days practice versus 364 days practice is what Stephen Redgrave says. Just that one little extra, just that tiny little extra, which is called as extreme discipline. Christmas Day, Thanksgiving Day, celebration, nothing to do. I want that gold medal. My gold medal is MDRT. That I will do MDRT, and for me to do MDRT, I need to practice every day. I need to have daily activity. I need to have discipline. And if you do that, nobody can stop you. And I want to tell you, and this is like almost my last two slides. Some people ask this question. That why is success choosing only a few people? सक्सेस क्यों जाके कुछ लोगों को ही चूज करता है? राइट, आपने देखा होगा एमडीआरटी क्यों कुछ लोग ही अचीव करते हैं? राइट, दैट विल बी द सम क्वेश्चन व्हिच यू विल बी हैविंग, बट आई वांट टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन बाय दिस वे दैट सक्सेस डजंट कम टू अ चोजन फ्यू. राइट, सक्सेस कुछ लोगों के पास नहीं जाता है. सक्सेस इज चोजन बाय अ फ्यू, व्हिच मींस कुछ लोग सक्सेस को चुनते हैं, कुछ लोग एमडीआरटी को चुनते हैं. इट इज नॉट दैट सम एमडीआरटी गोज टू सम पीपल. Right, MDRT is chosen by a few. Right, some people in this group today will decide that I will become an MDRT, and they will do MDRT. So my request to all of you is that these 70 days time, set your destination that I will become an MDRT. In next 10 days time or 9 days festival, I will hit that 10 lakhs live, 5 lakhs live, whatever is convenient for you. That is your destination in your GPS. उसके बाद आपको daily activities, right? Oh, sorry, daily goals, which means every day closer. अगर every day closer नहीं हुआ तो you should have palpitation. पसीना आना चाहिए आपको. आपको होना चाहिए कि why couldn't I do one policy today? I will do 2 policies tomorrow. That is daily goal. Right? Number 3 is daily activity. 15 कॉल करो ये 9 days के अंदर में. You will be guaranteed with success. And number 4th point is discipline. Doesn't matter. दशहरा आएगा Sunday को. Right? Tomorrow will be the last day of Navaratri. Doesn't matter at all. Monday will be Vijayadashmi for people. It's okay. That's a good day to go and meet customers. So if you're ready and if you decide that I am going to be that person who is going to choose success, right? It is not that success is going to choose me. I will go and choose success. I think you will succeed in